Hi Siti.
Hi, Papa.
Okay Siti, do you want to be a superhero?
Yes.
Okay, let Papa make you be a superhero of the Last Airbender, okay?
Okay. Cantik lah, bro.
Papa will make you to be the Last Airbender, okay?
Okay. Wow, bro.
You are the superhero, man.
Yes.
You are the best superhero of the system. Siti is the best lah.
Macam tu, man.
Okay, wait very nice. Blue color. You like blue color? Yeah, you like blue color, man.
Papa, awak sayang saya ke?
Saya mestilah sayang awak. Kalau
Ya.
tak, kenapa saya mencontongi awak, mencontengi awak? Mama will love you when she see this. So wait.
I am the last airbender.
Yeah.
Apa dah? Let's go.
Mantap bro.
Entah.
Is it nice, man? Your kepala, man.
Yes.
Do you like it?
Yes.
Do you love Papa?
Yes.
Yeah, kiss bro, kiss. Oh. Steady, let's go. We show Mama, okay?
Okay.
Oh, dengan confidentnya dia keluar. Mana nak jumpa apa ni Avatar jalan-jalan pakai beg Spiderman. Abang, Avatar. Ada kenal? Macam mana? Macam mana sedih buat? Macam mana Avatar? Tengok sikit. Mak. Memang tepat pilihan ni, guys. Memang tepat, guys. Okay.
Oi. Apa ni?
Tadi macam mana cakap Mama?
Airbender.
The last airbender.
Yeah, man.
Sama ni sekarang. Ya Allah.
Show Mama superhero. Macam mana superhero? Wah.
Mama is angry.
Mama angry. Okey ni, boleh borak lagi ni.
I want to save the world. Bye.